Sorry, I dropped the camera.
That used to be mine when I was a kid.
I'm recording.
Hi.
Yeah, that's my mom.
Pecker when I was a child. Hello.
Yeah. Okay, sorry, that was a little bit off topic. Well, since I just posted part 1 of Dog Whisperers, I don't get to see your response videos, but please make some response videos. It's awesome when you are a dog whisperer. It's amazing. My dad is too, so yeah, but I'm not sure about my mom. So here's Ivy as we left off. She was bored, but let's see if that's true. Yeah. Say hi, Ivy. The sunlight's again. Let's see. Hi. Yeah. Sorry, your ear is really soft. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh. I hit her paw. Good girl. I'm sorry. Joey. Hold on. I gotta do something real quick. Good girl. I just had to tighten her ponytail and tighten mine real quick. Okay, there we go. So, Ivy, what you thinking? You thinking you're taking a nap? You're gonna dig in here? You're gonna dig in here? You wanna take it up? Excuse me. Oh, she just like me. Oh, you love me? Well, I love you too. I love you too. I love you. I love you so much, girl. I love you more than me. Aren't you adorable? Aww. She's such a sweetheart. She just said thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. So yeah, are you sure you don't like looking like twinsies? What was that? That was kind of funny. No offense. So, is there anything you have to say to the whole entire world? There's no squirrel. We're inside. Do you smell one outside? Is there anything you have to say to the world?
You probably shouldn't leave her ear like that too long.
You said, I'm high.
The retriever's ears have to breathe.
I know. Mom, there's a little hole. It's like this, so it can breathe. It's like this. Mommy, there's a little hole that it can breathe through. It's like this. See? Mommy, look. See? See, there's this half of the ear that's not clogged up, and the air can just go through there.
Well, when we leave the house, I'm going to take it out.
Okay. So yeah, that's Ivy and peace to the puppy. Yeah, peace to the puppy. That's what she just said. So yeah, bye. Wait. Bye. Peace to the puppy.